Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2018 Ford Focus RS. This casting is by Matchbox and part of their moving parts line. As you can see in the image, it has a opening hood. Yeah, so let's open this box and see what else we got. So here's the Ford Focus RS out of its box. And for those who don't know, the RS is the sportier version of normal Ford Focus, so you will see some details which you don't really see on the normal ones. Now, since we are on the driver's side, let's just talk about it. So you've got the car which is finished in grey. You've got these black wheels which look nice here. You also got a detailed tail lamp, a big spoiler, mirror. It looks good from the side. Yeah, you got detailed door, but not detailed because they're body colored. So you got both the door handles. Looks nice. Coming to the front, again nicely detailed front. You got headlamp, Ford badge, RS badge. You got detailed grille, and you also got fog lamps on the bottom. And you got a small lip spoiler, I guess. Looks good. Looks really good. Hood also has slight bulges. You got both the windshield wipers. And you can see it's like crisscrossed, so it's not on the same side because that's how their wiper is. They are not, and they don't move in the same direction. They move in different directions like this on actual Ford Focus, which I always find fascinating. Now moving to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap. Let's move to the back. Again, good details here. You can see the Ford badge. You can also see the RS badge on the side. Number plate which reads 60R4RS. Tail lamps which are nicely detailed. You got the brake lamps at the bottom. You've also got the diffuser with twin exhaust. And a windshield wiper here too. Looks really good. The interior seems to be finished in black. That's all I can see. So yeah, good details here. This is how it looks from the bottom. Now let's open up the hood and see how does the engine look. So this is how the underhood looks like, and I think Matchbox has done a great job because it has got so many good details. You can see the engine cover, the airbox, batteries, fuse box, and mounts for suspension. Everything is detailed. It looks really good. I think Matchbox did a great job here. So should you get one? I'm pretty sure you should. And I think they also did one in a different color. Blue maybe? That also looks really good. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.